Well guys, I want to show you some of my cheap raiding. I call this cheap raiding because I use very low level troops. I use BArch troops basically with a couple of wizards. Let me show you some replay. My most recent one I got about 2794 DE. That is quite good rating to my standards. So first of all, you're gonna find a base which they have their buildings on the outside, far away from infernals, wizard towers, and so on. So my aim is just to get the 50%, which is good enough for the win bonus. And if they have resources on the outside, like gold storage or elixir storage, that will be wonderful. So you can see I put some archers to attack those buildings which is out of reach from the defenses. Now I put my archers around to get all the buildings inside the walls. Well, it's a bit tricky sometimes, it's hard to destroy buildings inside walls because I have limited wall breakers. But nevertheless, this base has a lot of gold and elixir and the pumps, so I said no harm but go for it. So I cleared most of the attacks, I cleared most of the buildings, and now I start my major attack, which I want to get all the elixir from the storages. So I send in my king so troops to get it. Hopefully I can get to the DE storage, but that is a bit far away, so let's see if my team can get the DE for me. Yes, we start attacking the DE, right? That's excellent. The wizard is shooting at the DE, and the archers is finished getting the gold on the left side. Now I send in some remaining troops because I'm only at 44%, going for a win so that I can get the win bonus. Yeah, my Barbs are still going strong. Come on, give me the 50%. Archers, yes, Archers got the 50%, and that's my replay using cheap rating. I got, a lot of resources and the win bonus. So hope you like the video.